So recently I was asked a question by one of the followers of my page. How are you able to speak English so fluently? And what are the books that you would recommend, Christian books that you would recommend in order to improve English? So the first thing that I would want to tell you is that I'm not great at English and I don't think I am very fluent or my vocabulary is great in English. But I started off my journey with English, and this all happened because of my father, who used to sit and read the Bible in English for both me and my sister. So that is how our journey with English has started. My dad was very particular because those days there were only very few people who knew English properly. So my dad wanted us to read the Bible in English, so that he made it a habit for us. He used to read the Bible in English and then he used to ask us to memorize the verses in the Bible in English. And that is how me and my sister we started reading the Bible in NIV version in English, and we even till today read the Bible in English alone. So I do not boast about the fact that I cannot speak my mother tongue so well, that is Telugu, but that is how it has all started. So if you ask me what are the tips in order to improve the vocabulary, be it any language, let it be English or Hindi or Tamil, Telugu, whatever it might be, the key is to listen. So the more you listen to the language, the more you understand how the language is pronounced and how they are using the language in different scenarios. So listen to people, especially I would recommend sermons of Billy Graham. His vocabulary is too good, so I would recommend listen to the sermons of Billy Graham and listen to the audio version of Bible in English, and do start reading English Bibles. And the convenient versions would be ESV or Good News Bible and NIV. So start off with these things, listen and try to communicate more. The more you speak, the more you get. సో తెలుగులో చెప్పాలంటే ఎక్కువగా వినండి, వినండి తర్వాత మాట్లాడండి. మాట్లాడకుండా ఉంటే మనకి లాంగ్వేజ్ రాదు, ఫ్రేమింగ్ రాదు, ఏ పదాలు ఎక్కడ వాడాలో మనకి అర్థం కాదు. నేను మాట్లాడితే ఎవరేమనుకుంటారు అనే భయం లేకుండా తప్పకుండా మాట్లాడడానికి ప్రయత్నం చేయండి. మీ ప్రయత్నాలన్నీ దేవుడు ఫలింపచేస్తాడు. గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ ఆల్. ఆమెన్.